Long time no video. Hey guys, this is Abhishek Kumar. Welcome you to the fresh series of video. This series of video will be related to Python programming language. Yes, after gathering my couple of years of experience on Python programming language, I designed this series in which I'll not only teach about Python programming language, but also share my experience about every topic by relating it with the real world scenario, which will surely make your understanding much stronger than before. The special thing about this series is that I'm going to share my tips and tricks related to Python programming language probably in each video. So be ready to learn a lot of concepts about Python programming language that really work and be a Pythonist. Thank you. That's all. See you next time.